Welcome to House of Medicine, Balance and Wellness. My name is Brad.
And I'm Hetty.
And today we're going to be talking a little bit about
The effect of COVID-19 on all businesses, whether they're small, big businesses, or if they fall in between.
All right. And so some of the things that I have seen in my career as being a nurse is just elected procedures. A lot of people go in for whether that be a nose job or a hip replacement, or they just, don't like the mole that they have on the middle of their face. Some of the things, that's about 50% of large hospitals. Doctors' offices, surgeons' offices that are outside of the network of the hospital actually rent out spaces, and about 50% of their income is being cut because they are not having a lot of people have the overnight care. So when you go in for, some type of plastic surgery, a hip replacement, or even you just had a baby. We did not just have a baby. I was there. I was the cheerleader.
You were the support team.
Exactly. So it's not we. I mean, but you definitely did a fantastic job. But spending a week in the hospital, all of the bills that accrue because of a week's stay due to an elective procedure is a large market for what a hospital kind of brings in. A lot of that is being cut down, and so large hospitals, small doctors' offices, dentist office, like you were saying, all of those places, all of those people are being affected financially by this pandemic. And so what are some of the things that you kind of forget about when we're all kind of trapped inside?
So one of the things that we forget about is how a lot of these doctors' offices provide preventative care instead of just treatment. And I am, and so is Brad, we're big supporters of preventing instead of treating. So it's a lot easier to prevent something from happening instead of letting it happen and then seek treatment and see if different treatment options work, because in many cases the first line of treatment is not a success, and then you have to go back and you have to try different avenues. And one of the reasons that we came up with the tea that you guys have been hearing about talking about this week is because this wonderful blend of tea that we put together not only helps with suppressing your appetite, so it helps with weight loss, but it also has proprietary blends in it that helps with boosting your immune system, and as a result getting a mind and body, a mental clarity. And that is so important right now. A lot of doctors' offices are not able to see patients like they used to be before, so it falls on us to take care of ourselves. And why not look for a natural way to boost our immune system, prevent any virus or any disease to take over our bodies, and then go seek for treatments that we don't even know if they're working or not.
And some of the other things that a lot of people don't understand is your entire spinal cord, okay? What is housing in regards to your entire spinal cord, but that's your entire C, T, and L spine. When you do your daily activities, whether that's walking, whether that's just getting up, whether that's doing whatever it is, usually an improper gait or just walking is actually putting undue stress upon your spine, which houses your entire network of what sensories of pain. And so if you can take a step correctly every single day for the rest of your life, you're going to be saving a lot of negative momentum. You're going to be gaining a lot of positive momentum on every single day. I don't want to wake up when I'm 70 years old and be like, oh, I'm the rickety old man in the disheveled house. I want to be able to wake up when I'm 70 and be like, dude, should I go out, jump out of an airplane today? Oh, I think I totally can. I don't want to be hunched over. I don't want to be affected by a lot of different spinal impairments. I want to take every single step, every single day in the right direction. I'm going to help you out with that if you go ahead and give me a call, and we can, whether it's FaceTime, whether it's coming into the office, or whatever it is, taking the right step in the right direction in a literal or a figurative sense is what we do.
That's exactly it. And we have a lot of clients that have been coming to us, and they were waiting for hip replacement or some sort of surgery or treatment, or their physical therapy offices are closed because they can't see patients as as often as they used to, and we've been able to help them with creating personalized exercises that Brad does. And the beauty of it is that he can make it for you. Once we do the initial one-on-one, he will personalize it to your needs, and we can send it to you. You can save the videos on your phone, so you can do it. You're just sitting at a park enjoying your hour of exercise outside, you can do it then. So there's a lot of ways that we can help you out right now to prevent, whether it's your nutritional needs, whether it's your physical needs, to get your body into an optimum shape. So by the time everything is open, by the time we're up and ready to go, our bodies are ready for action, instead of being in a stagnant place, and it's hard to get back in the grind of things.
Yeah. And so having a business such as us, that we are genuinely we're two very educated individuals that are here to help you out in regards to your body. The first step is definitely you, whether that's wellness in regards to financial success, whether that's wellness in regards to physical, your own self. But keeping a focus on you is why we strive every single day to help out. Okay? Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you probably tomorrow.
Yes, you will, and enjoy the rest of your week.